So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Power share. So many people have requested to make a separate technical analysis video on Tata Power. So we know that the stock has also showed some very good consolidation phase and accumulation is also present at the current levels also. So we'll try to find out what would be the breakout region, and the same way we'll also see how the deliveries are taken on a regular basis. So we'll get the complete clarity regarding the stock movement. So we know that there are various updates also related to the composite scheme. We'll see what are the major things and followed by all the updates of Tata Power. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram, apart from discussing updates, I keep posting stocks for short term so that you can also trade them. So I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so moving towards the updates of Tata Power. So you know that recently an update was released related to the composite scheme, so where it has approved the amendment of this particular scheme and it has withdrawn whatever the amalgamation of Tata Power solar system, so that has happened recently itself. So apart from this particular update, we know that a various collaboration update with various agencies was also released, and the same way related to the list of products that Tata Power will be undertaking in the coming future. So those details also have been provided, especially in Gujarat and various other parts of the state. So Orissa also, about we discussed in our previous videos. So those were the major things which were running around Tata Power. So this particular stock, whenever it was trying to approach the 123 124 rupees region, so again it was trying to consolidate in that particular region itself, and again it was dropping near 120 as well as 122. So it implies that a very good accumulation is present, and the stock also was showing some sort of flat movement despite all the updates which were being released. So we know Tata Power is a stock which consolidates and then it gives a breakout. So it is not a continuously going stock, it is a long-term stock and it goes in a steady manner. So we'll try to see all the levels. So quickly let's go to delivery section. So after that we'll transfer to charts. Okay, so when we see the day-to-day wise deliveries in Tata Power, so you can see on 2nd July we have seen 26.1% deliveries. And if you compare the last 2 to 3 trading sessions, so clearly you can understand a constant deliveries are maintained, and price also you can see it is in the range of 120 followed by 122. So in that particular range itself the stock is moving. So it is giving a clear confirmation that the stock is consolidating. It implies that either it is present at a very good support region, and it also implies that a very good accumulation that is being taken by the big players. So at any point of time it may give a very sudden move and it may go in the upside direction. So you need to be ready for that. And if you have already invested in the stock, as we discussed in our earlier videos, especially near the 119 and 120, so keep holding, and if you want to average also you can average. So this is a very good stock for long term. So test your patience. If you are a patient investor, so definitely you can create some very good wealth in this particular stock. So deliveries wise, so clearly we can understand that a constant deliveries followed by a flat movement in the stock signifies that it is having a very good consolidation phase. So let's go to technical charts and let us see how it is behaving on charts as well. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Tata Power. So when we see the 1 week chart, so clearly we know earlier a golden crossover has happened, and after that the stock has given some very good moment and it is trying to retest. So always I tell, once you are trying to have a fresh entry, so you need to catch the retest. So nothing to worry about that. Even if you have invested high levels, so again it will approach there, but for best entry you can approach the retest. So same thing after the breakout, it is now trying to achieve the level of the retest that is already in progress. So currently the best levels, as I told, same levels 119 and 120. So those regions are going to be very important for trying to average, or either fresh entry is also very good. So once it completes that particular retest, so we can expect some very good momentum. So you need to have patience. So again and again I'm telling that. And the same way, if you see the money flow index, so that is completely flat. It is not even in the overbought region. and not completely in mid range. So it is near 64, so that is also well and good. Okay, so once you see the daily chart time frames, that was a weekly chart. So daily chart, you can see it is taking the support near the pivot region. So whatever the June month we have seen related to the stock, it was in little swing. But after entering a new month, so new movement will be starting. So all the fresh contracts, especially in the options trading, so those again will be started. So a new movement we can expect in this particular stock. Especially you can see the support region of 119.50. So that is going to be very important. So make sure you're keeping that particular level into the radar. And same way, resistance wise, in the short term resistance or target, we can expect 125 rupees level. So once it crosses that, after that only we can see 130 plus. Okay, and the same way, money flow index for daily chart time frame, it is near 52, so that is in mid range, so it is also in a very good position. So try to accumulate, so that is what I can suggest you, because at any point of time we can expect some very good move. So because already it is a very good stock for long term fundamentally as well, and the same way the various projects that it has especially related to whatever the energy sector, so it is ultimately a good bet for long term. So further, if you're having any doubts related to Tata Power, you can ask me in the comment sections, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.